Friends, in this video we'll be looking for characteristics of cell, that what kind of data cell can accept. Yes, cell can accept the text, number, boolean expressions, formulas, and also formula errors as well. So then how to identify that, right? So if you want to identify the data of the cell, if you're typing any text, it just goes to the left side of the cell, and if you are typing any number, it just goes to the right side of the cell, and if you're giving any boolean expression like true or false, it just goes to the middle of the cell, right? And if you're giving any right formula, the result will be shown in the middle of the cell. For example, 100 by 10, it goes to a 10 because it is a number, so it is going to the right side of the cell. And if you are giving any wrong formula, it just goes to the middle of the cell. For example, 100 by 0, obviously the formula will be, the result will be wrong, so it is going to display in the middle of the cell by giving a message that the formula or function used divided by 0 or empty cells. So this is how we identify the characteristics of the cell. Thank you.